The purpose of your life starts with taking positive action and not by thinking about it. This is a process that will require patience, self-reflection, experimentation, curiosity, and exploring your passions. Here are a few strategies that will reveal to you the real purpose of life so that you can develop a more meaningful life for yourself. 1. Go all out. When it comes to finding your life's purpose, you have to take action. The more you do, the more you will understand what you want to do. Shift your focus from thinking about the risks and dangers of taking action, and take small steps that will take you closer to your goals. Stop doubting yourself and worrying about failure. Instead, focus on experimenting with new things and new approaches that will lead you to success. Figure out what works for you and what doesn't through trial and error, and soon you will know exactly what you want to do in life. You never know where you will end up until you give life a chance. And that can only happen with constant action. Action gets you results. 2. Follow your heart. I hate saying this. It's such a big cliché. But it is the best strategy for you to find the purpose of life. Your heart is the compass that navigates you through life to lead you where you want to be, where you can find your passion, happiness, and purpose. Granted, you may make a few mistakes along the way, but by the end of it, you will learn a lot more about life and yourself than you would have otherwise. 3. Accept there's more than one purpose. Contrary to popular belief, you can have different life purposes based on different passions. When you look for only one true purpose, you will become perplexed and feel that your life is empty. By focusing on only one objective, we not only miss out on other opportunities around us, but we also limit ourselves from exploring our talents. We prevent ourselves from giving the world all the gifts we can offer. So instead, focus on all your passions and it will help you find multiple purposes in life. 4. Listen to others. Identifying your passions can be easier said than done. I am sure there are many things you feel passionate about. You have different skills and there are a number of things that you are great at. In fact, you may have become so used to these things, you might not even realize how important they are in your life and how much you love them. This is why you need to listen to people who matter in your life. It can be a great idea to ask your loved ones what they believe you are passionate about. What reminds your friends about you? What do they notice about you? The reason why we are so desperate to look for life's purpose is that we live a life without passion. We do not live. We merely try to survive each day as it comes. And that is where the feeling of emptiness arises. This is why we feel as if something is missing from our lives. By following your passion, you will feel more connected to your life and all these heavy feelings will disappear. The only and most practical way of living a life with purpose is to pursue your passions and take positive action every single day. It's that simple. May your journey be filled with blessings and profound enlightenment. Your support means the world to me, so please remember to share, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell to stay connected and never miss out on our future videos.